My name is Nhyira Premium, the managing partner of Premium Education Hub, a licensed tuition provider or a partner in learning for the Institute of Chartered Accountants Ghana's professional qualification program. If you are watching this video, it means that you have interest in studying to become a chartered accountant, or better still, you are on your journey of becoming a chartered accountant, or you know someone who is on this journey. And what we want to do in this video is to quickly walk you through our community and the various things that we have available to make this journey satisfying, interesting, and most importantly, empower you to finish this program in record time. I tell students this all the time, that you don't have to take a decade to finish this thing. You cannot even take 5 years to do it. With the right community, the right mentorship, the right resources, and the right guidelines, I can guarantee you that you can put yourself in the position and do this in record time. At most 2 years, you should be done and take your life to the next level. So our mentorship program here at the Premium Education Hub, we have 4 layers of guidelines, mentorship that are available that you can enroll in to help you to pass the examination. So let me take you through these layers to help you to make the right decision for yourself, because it depends on what you want, what your goals are, what your objectives are, but everything is tailored in such a manner with you in mind to help you, empower you, so you can finish this in record time. So when you visit our website, nhyirapremium.com, the first thing that we have available is our main courses, live online courses, and this enrollment gives you access to the lecture videos on our website as well as in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. You also get access to key summary videos on the various topics in the various subjects. What it means then is that you will be able to even go ahead of the live lectures and finish the syllabus in record time to put yourself in the position to pass the examination. So when you visit our website, the search courses page, you scroll down and you are going to be seeing all our main courses available: financial reporting, financial management, management accounting, principles of taxation, and all the rest. And as I mentioned, this enrollment will be giving you access to the study materials. You watch the videos, download the videos in the mobile application, join our live lectures, weekly live lectures, and also our executive revision masterclass. We don't do intervention, but we have our executive revision masterclass, which is our revision masterclass 2 weeks to the examination, where we take our students, walk them through the various things they must understand, and also crystallize some of the principles with them based on our highly sought after examination analysis document. And so that is the first layer available, with the right commitment, doing assignments, performance evaluation tests, and embedding yourself fully in the program. This will help you to really be prepared for the examination and, most importantly, pass the examination. Now, one thing you must understand is this, and that is, if you miss lectures, you still get access to all of the lecture videos, because at least after an hour of the end of each lecture, the lecture is uploaded and accessible on our website as well as in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. Again, our live lectures are strictly online. It means that you can join the lectures from wherever you are, as far as you have access to the internet. Now, even if you don't have access to the internet, you could still be able to get access to the content in the mobile application by downloading the videos and accessing them right in the Nhyira Premium mobile application, so that you can follow the lectures, do your assignments, be part of the community, and be guided better, so you can go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So that is the first layer in our mentorship program that you can go for. Now, the second key pillar in our mentorship program is our practice questions videos. Now, the practice questions videos are videos where we are solving questions from various sources. So you're going to be seeing questions from ACCA, CIMA, ICAG, ICAN, on the various issues that you must understand in the respective subject that you are writing. So that is the second layer. Now, students who enroll in our regular or main courses will get discounts to be able to enroll in the practice question courses. Or maybe you are somebody who is just looking for practice questions to be able to solve and go through, be guided and be assisted, then the practice question courses will also be helpful for you. So we have the audit, advanced audit and assurance, management accounting, financial reporting, corporate reporting, and you can enroll in these exclusively and get access to the lecture videos on the website as well as in the Nhyira Premium mobile application. You get access to the practice questions with the solutions, and the strategy is that you are going to be solving the questions and then you refer to the solution at the end of the day. Then you watch the video to see the explanation of how everything was done. Now, this is crucial because it's one thing to understand the principle, it's another thing to see the principles at play in a given question. And that is why these practice question courses are going to supplement your studies and put you in the position to pass the examination. So you can check them out as well on our website to complete your enrollment. So the first thing is the main courses, which you can enroll in. Join our 12 weeks live lectures and the executive leadership masterclass to be able to be part of our community. That is the starting point. You'll be part of the community. The second layer is the practice question courses, which gives you access exclusively to practice question courses on all of the key areas you must understand in the respective subjects, and you can enroll in that as well. The third thing that we have in our mentorship program are books. So we have study materials on the various subjects that are available that you can purchase. Please note that for the most part, these are going to be the primary material of reference for the lectures. In other words, on the live lectures, questions to be solved, references to be made, materials that will be used are going to be coming from these books. And so definitely you are encouraged to get these books as well. Again, to help you to go through the syllabus very well. And these books have principles simplified with practice questions to help you to understand the topics and also apply the topics based on the context of the various questions. So we have public sector, financial reporting, advanced audit and assurance, strategic case study, corporate reporting volume 1 and 2, taxation in Ghana, and this is for both principles of taxation and advanced taxation, management accounting, as well as financial management. So all of these books are available that you can get copies of, definitely to add to the materials that you have so you can put yourself in the position to pass the examination. And so you can get access to these materials. Now, you can buy them online by visiting Amazon and get the Kindle version of these books if you are interested. Or you want a physical or hard copy, you can then send us a message or call us, and certainly you will be getting access to these books. Delivery will be done wherever you are located after you make payment. So this is the third thing in our mentorship program that will help you to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and pass the examination. Now, maybe you are someone who is special. In other words, you don't have the time to be part of the regular lectures in respect of our live lectures starting on the average from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And you are somebody who is very busy and you don't do well in communities or in the group of others, but you want a personalized experience. In other words, you want something that will be tailor-made for you based on your schedule, based on your life, based on the way you study, and based on how you want to be on this journey at the end of the day. For such special situations, we also have the private sessions available. What does that mean? It means that you can enroll in our private session courses where you have access directly to the lecturers and be mentored, be assisted at your own time. What does that mean? It means that this is a tailor-made program for you. You're going to be having an introductory call session where your problems are going to be looked at, what your needs are, what you are looking out for, and the goal of the private session generally at the end of the day. Then from there, a tailor-made program will be designed for you to help you, to put you in that position so you can go to the exam hall and pass the examination. So if you are someone who is in that special category and you want something tailor-made for you, you don't want the other things coming in, then certainly you can request, book a call, and then certainly be given the guidelines that you must understand. Now remember, this is a private session, so this is going to be at a premium price, but the courses are going to be tailored in such a manner that you have live lectures, you have assignments, you have performance evaluation tests, you get access to the premium content as well in the Nhyira Premium mobile application as well as on the website. But most important thing is that everything is going to be tailored around your need, your preference, and how you study so that you can put yourself in the position to go into the exam hall and pass the examination. So this is what we do here, and these are the 4 layers that we have available. Yes, enroll in our main courses if that is what you want to start with. Get our practice question courses if you want some additional practice questions to guide you to understand the principles. Get our books as well, because the books are tailor-made, principles simplified, with a lot of practice questions to put you in the position to pass the examination. But also, if you're someone who needs special assistance because of the nature of your work, because of who you are, because of your goals and the objective, then certainly we can have tailor-made experience courses designed for you to put you in that position so you can go to the exam hall and equally write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So head on to our website, nhyirapremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application to complete your enrollment today. I'm looking forward to having you, providing you with the mentorship that you need, being part of our community, and seeing how we can assist you so you can go to the exam or pass the examination, but most importantly, become successful. It is a transformational environment. It's a transformational experience that we create for our students, because it is not just about the mundane reading, but shaping your mindset, your personality, and putting you in the position to go and even be much successful irrespective of where you are in your life or in your career. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to having you in one of our lectures.